Hi, writers. It's writing workshop time. I just want to thank you for all the wonderful opinion letters that you sent to your teachers. We have read them all and they were amazing. You did an awesome job of writing your opinion and giving your examples and details to convince us. But we have to say goodbye to opinion writing and hello to a new type of writing. Just like we've done for our read aloud and our reading workshop today, we are moving into nonfiction writing. So we are going to have different topics that we are going to be teaching our readers about. Nonfiction writers are the experts, and our job is to teach someone else all that we know about a topic. So as we start our writing today, we are going to be the nonfiction writers who are writing to teach our readers a topic. So today I want to teach you that nonfiction writers generate ideas. That means that they come up with ideas before they start writing. They do all their thinking work in their head before they start their writing. And the way that we generate our ideas is by thinking of a topic, thinking of what we need to teach, and planning it across pages. This is just like the work we did when we were doing our fiction stories, when we were like plan by touching and telling across the pages. We're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to plan our nonfiction books. We're going to get ideas about what we can teach other people. Now, how can I get an idea about what I can teach? Well, first I have to think about a topic that I know a lot about, enough that I could make a whole book out of it. Well, I have been reading this book about sharks on Epic, and I definitely have been learning a lot about different kinds of sharks, about their parts, about where you can find them. So I think that I can write about sharks. So now I have my topic. My first step is done. I thought about a topic. My topic is going to be sharks. Now let me think about what I could teach my reader about sharks. Let me rehearse that out loud. I could teach them where sharks live. I could teach them about shark body parts. I could teach them about the different types of sharks. So I have 3 different things that I know I can teach. So let me write that across pages. I'm going to plan across my page. So the first thing that I can teach is where sharks live. That's the first thing that I'm going to plan to teach my reader. Then I can teach or I don't want to say what sharks looks like because that's kind of like first grade. Maybe I should say shark body parts. Or I'm going to call it shark bodies. So I can teach about where sharks live. I can teach about shark bodies. And I think I could teach about, maybe I should teach a section about what sharks eat. So I'm going to call it shark food. So, writers, did you see how I did a few things before I even started writing my book? First, I had to generate an idea. I had to think about a topic. I know a lot about sharks because I've been reading shark books, so that's the perfect topic for me. Then I stopped to rehearse, to plan and think about all the information I can teach about sharks. I know I could teach where they live, I can teach about their bodies, and I can teach about the food that they eat. Then I took my pages and planned what will go on each page. This page will teach my reader about where sharks live. This page will teach my reader about shark body parts. And this page will teach my reader about shark food. So now that I have my topic, sharks, I know what I'm going to teach, and I planned what each page is going to say, I'm ready to start my first chapter about sharks. So, writers, let me recap what I expect you to do today. Today, we are writing nonfiction books, teaching books. And the first step to writing or teaching book is to get an idea in your head about the topic you're going to teach. My topic is sharks, and I picked that topic because I know a lot about it. I want you to stop and think for a moment. What do you know a lot about? Give a thumbs up when you think you know what your topic could be. Maybe you know a lot about cooking. Maybe you could write a cooking book. Maybe you know a lot about computers and you can write a computer book. Maybe you just love sports and you can definitely write a football book. Whatever you know a lot about, that's probably the best topic for you to choose. Now that you have your topic, plan across your fingers. What are the different things you can teach your reader? If you're going to write a football book, maybe you could teach about the different football teams, maybe the different parts of their uniform or their gear that they need to wear, maybe the different plays in football. Take a moment, think about your topic. After you have your topic, think about the things you can teach. Then I want you to plan it out across pages. So writers, it's time to get your books, your topics, and let's think about how we can teach our reader. Remember that today's goal is to generate ideas. Let's get some ideas for our writing and let's start to plan it across pages.